Hi, it's Day Trade. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my thoughts about Bitcoin. Remember, it's not a financial recommendation. Always make your own researches. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. I will appreciate if you like it and share it with your friends. And please, if you have any questions, write them down in comments below. So let's start. 1 day time frame Bitcoin, it's 21st of March 2023, and on my previous video I mentioned this zone of resistance on 25k. This zone was really huge because it was during significant time period and we had several touches to this zone, and I suppose that we most probably would make any kind of consolidation right here in this zone, which we did because during 3 days our candles were hesitating, and after that on 17th we made a really great move upwards, and now we're sticking around 28.5, and what I'm supposing what will be next. So at first, why 28.5? Because we have this interesting level of resistance right here, and because price stopped on the previous move downwards exactly right here on this particular point. And what's more important, I really like this zone. Let me show you it right here on 1 week time frame. We have this interesting zone of resistance because our price were touching this zone several times, and I think around these prices we will stop. Most important that we have this moving average 99 right here, and it's going downwards. I think that during some week or 2 weeks our price will touch this moving average, and I think that all this move will stop in 32 or so. I will be happy it will stop around 44, but I'm not so optimistic about that. Although our wage telling us that our target, if we take the first and points from the upwards and downwards trend lines, our target should be even on 40 in 54, but I'm not so optimistic about that. As I told you before, we have really great resistance here because we have multiple touches, and so we have this moving average 99, and I think that in the end it will all turn out that this moving average 200, this purple one, will be our resistance for the next time. What does it mean here? I mean that we might go like here, and then we will break this moving average down. So we had false breakout of this moving average. What else I can see here? That it's 1 week time frame, that our volumes getting higher, which is great for 1 week, and we closed our previous candle really strong with no hesitation. I like that, and I think that during a couple of days, maybe this week, it will be consolidating maybe in some big range because we have Fed tomorrow, and I think it will give us some volatility but no direction of our move. And I think that it's time for altcoins to show something because they didn't show anything during last period of time. So I think that Bitcoin will consolidate in this range 28.32, and when Bitcoin will be doing this consolidation, altcoins most probably will blowing up. I'm not telling that it will hit all-time highs or so, but they will show us some movement. I think 30% is more probably like reality. And if we take a look on 1 day time frame, as I told, everything will be the same. So we have the same range 28.32, and I think that our movement will stop in this part. And what's important in psychology right here, because if you remember, there are some people who were buying Bitcoin in around 60k because they were thinking that we might hit 100k, but they still in losses, and when we will hit 32 they will have false belief that it's gonna be a bull market now, and that's that Bitcoin it's a gold that when banks everything's falling down, that Bitcoin will save us. And a lot of FUD we can read in Twitter or so, and all the things telling average to the average person that you have to buy this Bitcoin because it's like a safe boat, and it will save you from crisis or something like that. But I think that's not that case. I think that it's not a bull market yet. Yes, we might see plus 4,000 dollars on Bitcoin in the next few weeks, I think, but after that I'm still expecting that we might go lower to 9-10k. And I also want to show you 4-hour time frame. I'm not so positive about this time frame. Why so? Because look at these volumes, they're going downwards and our prices are going upwards, and it's not so good. And I think it's the red flag right here. You should pay attention on the thing. And also about local time frames like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, I don't see any like situations for me right now. I'm pay all my attention to altcoin nows. So let me show you a few examples. So for example, this one, it's XLM, and it showed us today excellent level of resistance, and it was broken up, and now we're going upwards. I also have some different other altcoins right here with the same levels of resistance, and I think that we might most probably broke this out and show like some movement, like 30% or 40%, but no more. I don't think it will be more. And I think that will be all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and write the comments below. Thank you for your time. See you next time.